Hello and welcome. I've got a overcab motorhome from Sun Living to show you today. It's not from Frankia. Frankia's behind that. It's just a Frankia sign. We've got a Sun Living sign up there. And so this is the A75 SL. So the 75 sort of gives us a hint of its size. You think 750, well, it's 745 centimeters long. Got the price there at 75,000. That's just a coincidence that it's called 75 because it'll probably cost more before long. And this here, what you can do, 3.5 ton basis, 400 kilos of payload, towing capacity is 1,800, so the towing capacity is a bit less than they usually get. I think most of them are 2,000 kilos, but anyway, 2 tons. Anyway, German layout at the back, window either side, window in the roof. We've got lots of space here. Under the bed we will find we have got a wardrobe down here, could do with a light, and on the other side we will find that we've also got some more storage which could also do with a light, and it's also a wardrobe, although having said that, in the first one it didn't have the bar at the top, but I'm sure you could put a bar in the top if you wanted. Storage in the floor, very useful. And here's a step, and guess what, there's some more storage in here as well. Right, in here, this is over here, this is makes the big bed. You can fit this thing here will fit in there like that. Well, you can do it a bit neater if you've got 2 hands. Makes an enormous bed. Look at that, a big bed here. Next to this, we've got a bar here to hang your socks on. There's the shower. 2 domestic size drain points. You can sit on the shelf here where the wheel is, but it's convenient for getting your feet clean. Sit on there once you're in the shower. In here we have got the toilet, so a separate toilet, and of course this, as you get most vehicles, that closes like that to coat hooks or towel hooks or whatever there. Kitchen, small but corner kitchen. You've got 3 burners there, sink, storage below, and it's proper storage as well. Got proper walls on. I think that makes a big difference. Things aren't falling out as they usually do. I like what I would call a splash guard window here. So we've got this protection here, windows behind it, recessed, attractive. I also like these blinds as well, rather than the plissé blinds. Storage all the way along. At the back here we've got this fridge which will open both ways. Storage of this actually, it looks as though it's part of the fridge. It isn't, just the front that they've used for the cupboard there. I dare say it'd be possible to put actually an oven. I mean, it's too high, I think, for an oven, but I dare say for those who want to put an oven there, it would be possible, because there is a gas supply at the back. So that should I think would work. I don't know, I'm not a gas engineer. Here, largish table. Got what, 5 seats around it, and up front we've got the bed and the cab over. We've got slit windows either side, huge window up front. That will make a huge difference sleeping up here in the summer months, and that will come up like that. There's it allows you more space to get in and out, and also you will find that there's a ladder to get into bed somewhere. That very good. You know, this bit's always wasted in a way, but look, they put a ledge on it, so you can't actually use that for storing things, should that be necessary. Okay, this is a relatively traditional style. It's style used by other vehicles manufacturers, particularly in the cheaper area. Sorry, nothing's cheap. I mean, look at the money here. It's a fortune. I mean, 75,000. But the point being that it's comparatively cheaper. There's a better way of putting it. Enormous garage. I think this garage takes 200 kilos if memory serves me correctly, so it does, and lots of space in there. Close the door. Here, if you fancy a smaller one though, I really like this one here. This is a 6 meter version. It's so we've got 1 meter less. Let's see what else it's got less. But this vehicle here really appeals to me. First of all, I like smaller vehicles. So you've got the bed up there. So we've put the bed up, so you've got plenty of space to stand up inside. Fiat engine. This table, forward-facing bench, storage, kitchen here, block. Under there, we've got a wardrobe. Leads into the largish garage at the back. Here, find the washroom, very similar to others in the Adria range. Okay, so everything's in one place though. So those who want a separate washroom need to have a different vehicle, such as the one that we saw first. But note also 2 drainage points. Window, storage at the back. This vehicle, oh, and here as well. This is look at that wardrobe. It's not big, nice. I'll show you these other 2 vehicles as well whilst I'm here, because they only brought 4 vehicles to this show, but you can find other Adria vehicles on my site. C70 DL, 70,000 euros, 7 meters in length. So face-to-face layout at the front, kitchen, bathroom and toilet, and at the back a German layout, fridge here, and I'll show you the 4th one as well. This is another low profile vehicle. This thing is going to cost 72,000. It's the 7 meter van S70 SL. What this has got is also a German layout at the rear, window on either side and in the roof, fridge to the left. In here we will find a washroom. 3 burners here. Okay, good. So there you have it. So the Adria Sun Living. You've seen the entire range on display at CMT. At Dusseldorf you actually get more. I think the thing here with CMT, there isn't that much room for expansion as there is in Dusseldorf. There's more space than there is here, so you see more vehicles. Anyway though, thank you very much for being with me. I hope you found that interesting. And I don't have the full Sun Living range on my site, but I have almost the full Sun Living range. Sorry. Thanks. Bye for now.